Hello everybody, I stand here from the health department to demonstrate the steps of simple hand washing. In the context of COVID-19 prevention and to stay safe from the virus, you should make sure to wash your hands at the following times. Number 1, after blowing your nose, coughing or sneezing. Number 2, after visiting public place, including public transportation, markets. Number 3, after touching surfaces outside of the home, including money. Number 4, before, during, and after caring of the sick person at home. Number 5, before and after eating. Number 6, after using toilets. Number 7, after playing with pets. Now I'll show you the steps of simple hand washing. First, wet hands with water. Apply enough soap to cover all hand surfaces. Rub hands palm to palm. Right palm over left dorsum with interlaced fingers and vice versa. Palm to palm with fingers interlaced. Back of fingers to opposing palms with fingers interlocked. Rotational rubbing of left hand claps in the right palm and vice versa. Rotational rubbing backwards and forwards with clasped fingers of right hand in left palm and vice versa. Rotational rubbing of wrist. Then rinse hands with water. Dry thoroughly with a clean towel. Once your hands are clean, they are safe.